Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If you are browsing on Microsoft Edge and suddenly get locked out by a terrifying pop-up warning you about error 268D3, do not panic and do not call the phone number. This is a well-known fake tech support scam designed to freeze your browser. I will show you exactly how to safely bypass the lock and remove this scam right now. Let's get started. First, absolutely do not click OK on the fake warning page and do not call the phone number listed. The scammers use a malicious JavaScript loop to infinitely freeze your browser, so you cannot click the X to close the window normally. To break out of this trap, press the Control, Shift, and Escape keys on your keyboard all at the same time to open your Windows Task Manager. Find Microsoft Edge in the Processes list, right-click on it, and select End Task to forcefully kill the hijacked application. Next, we need to make sure Edge does not automatically reload the scam page when you reopen it. Disconnect your computer from the internet temporarily by turning off your Wi-Fi or unplugging your Ethernet cable, and then open Microsoft Edge. Because you are offline, the scam script cannot load. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, select Privacy, Search, and Services, and click Choose What to Clear under the Browsing Data section. Check all the boxes, especially cached images and files, and hit Clear Now. Finally, you can safely reconnect to the internet. While this pop-up is usually just a malicious website you stumbled onto, it is highly possible that hidden adware installed on your computer caused the bad redirect in the first place. Click your Windows search bar, type Windows Security, and open the app. Click Virus and Threat Protection, go to Scan Options, select the Microsoft Defender Offline Scan, and hit Scan Now. Your PC will restart and run a deep system sweep outside of Windows to completely destroy any hidden malware triggering the scam. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.